channel for yet another video, and it's been so long since I've done a sit down review video for you guys, so I thought why not do. It's a perfect time because the weather is changing up so drastically in north, and my skin has been super dry. Like, I haven't felt this dry in quite a long time, so I felt like, I really needed something to lift up my face, and my my skin has just been dry and dull a little bit. Like, as you guys can see, it is a little dull. It's not looking that plump and glow that I always have. So I thought, I think I should give a new product a try, so that I can let you guys know what I genuinely feel about the product. And yeah, so I have here with me is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So this is what the bottle looks like. So if you guys can see, so this is what the bottle looks like. And I'm going to talk about the product. And firstly, let me just start off by saying what is hyaluronic acid. A lot of people nowadays are looking for products with the ingredient called hyaluronic acid, HA. And so hyaluronic acid is basically, that is something that is naturally present in our skin. So hyaluronic acid, what it does, that it has a capacity of holding your water retention. So it basically holds the water of your skin with like in 1,000 times, like, so it is quite a lot. So that is naturally present. However, with day and with time and age and everything, so your hyaluronic acid that you naturally have kind of decreases down and it depletes a little bit. So you need that extra glow and hydration that you need. A lot of people nowadays say, like, I want that glow. So the glow generally comes when you have water and your skin is hydrated. So your skin really needs good hydration. I'm sure a lot of you guys love using moisturizers and serums and creams and everything to make your skin look plumper and fresh. So this is what this product is going to do, because this has 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid in it, which is actually going to hydrate your skin deep within, and it will give you all the glow, the hydration, the nourishment, everything, and the plumpiness that you need. So this product is actually considered to be #1. It has been ranked #1 by #1 in US, in the States. Like, it has stated #1 in China, in Europe, as well as it is now available in India for you guys to try it out. So talking about the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum, this is something that is actually a lot of dermatologists kind of recommends to use this, and all the dermatologists kind of refers that you really need hyaluronic acid in your serum, and this is a 1.5% pure acid in it, like a pure hyaluronic acid in it, and it's not diluted. It's a pure one. And plus, so the formula is a water jelly like formula. It's not that thick, it's not that thin, it's a perfect jelly like water formula. And if I want to show you guys can see how this. So this comes with a dropper in it. So this is what the bottle looks like. So this is what the bottle looks like. If you guys will be able to see. So this is what the bottle looks like, and this is a 30 ml bottle, and it is you can use this before your moisturizer, okay? And then so this comes with a dropper. So this is perfect. So it's a perfect formula. It's not that thick, it's not that thin. If you guys can see, it is something that will actually I'm just going to show you guys on the back of my hand first. So if you just drop one drop of it, it is not watery like formula. So this is what the consistency is going to look like. And because this has 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid in it, so this will give you really nice glow and radiance. If you guys can see the instant reaction between both of the hands. Let's move on to demonstration of how I use this. I've taken you guys a little up close and personal, so you guys can see how my skin. So my skin is a little, like, not a little, it's quite dehydrated. It's quite dull at the moment. It does not have that plump that I love. So I'm gonna use the Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum first. So I'm just going to take this up. So I'm just going to take from the dropper itself. I'm just going to drop few drops on my skin. So right on one cheek, on my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. That's okay, that's good. That's more than enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start massaging it into the skin. And it's a perfect lightweight formula. I've already used it like few days ago, and it's a perfect lightweight formula. It's not that sticky, but it is a perfect formula because I can figure it out how well this product is going to work on my skin, and it instantly absorbs into your skin. It does not have any particular scent to it. If I'm seeing it, like, it does not have any particular scent to it, so which is really good, and it's fragrance free as well, so it's perfect. So my skin is actually feeling a little firmer. What I can feel, it is a little firmer from the beginning, and this is what my skin looks like. It has instantly absorbed into the skin like that, and I love products that absorbs into my skin very easily. I don't like to take a lot of time and sit down and just keep doing it, but I love, like, and something, and it has given not oily but a very nice, non-sticky with a little softer texture to it. I wish you guys could have felt my skin through the screen, but like, what I can feel, my skin is looking really, it's feeling very soft. It's I actually like it, and I feel makeup would also sit on really well with this product. If you want to use it before, you can use it, and makeup will also sit really well with this. So this comes in 2 sizes. So this is a 30 ml bottle, this is a full bottle. So it comes in 2 sizes. One is the 15 ml bottle, which will cost you $4.99, and the full 30 ml bottle, I feel, which is a good deal, that will cost you the 30 ml will cost you the 30 ml will cost you $9.99, so $999. And I feel this product is really good, and it comes really handy, specifically if you want to. So you can use it twice a day. You can use it in the morning as well as you can use it in the night, and it does not have any fragrance, no alcohol is involved in it, and it's perfect for sensitive skin because I have really sensitive skin. So anything reacts to my skin like that, so I feel like, I really needed something like this to try it out and see and tell you guys how I felt it. And I feel really good. My skin actually feels a little plumper as far as it feels plumper, and yes, so that was this. I would highly recommend to use this because this has hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid has the capacity of holding its own weight in water up to times, actually not 100 times, sorry, 1000 times, which is actually really insane because you actually have it in your skin already. So why not utilize it and create, like, have your skin texture a little more improved. So I feel this is a beautiful product to give it a shot, and I absolutely loved it. This is my first hand review that I've shared it with you guys. This is, if I would have felt something, I would have told you guys, but I think this product is actually really good, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to reach out for this product very much. Like, I'm going to use it regularly, and because this has actually the full, it does not have any diluted acid in it. It has the full, like, quantity of it. So I thought, why not, share it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this. The link to purchase this will be in the description box below, so you guys can go and check it out, and let me know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions or recommendations, feel free to write on any of my social media platforms. I'll be more than happy to share anything that you have to ask. And yes, so I will have all the links. I'll have the link of this product also in the description box, so you guys can go and check it out. And yes, so I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay confident, keep missing me, keep loving me, and I will see you guys later. Bye.